present.
Put it down, she says, Mom.
Put it down.
Put it down.
She took her nose in it. Did you get it already? Here. Get the paper. Get the paper.
Just put it down. Put it down.
Put it down there. There you go.
I hate Scotch tape.
Ooh. I'm giving up too easily. Here. What is it? Get it. Get it. She just wants it done for her. Look, what's that? What's that? What is it? What is it? Is it a doggy? Really? Too much pressure. Ooh.
Good, Smiley.
Squeak it.
What a good Smiley. Squeak it.
It must smell like other things. She's interested in it, but
Yeah.
not sure about it.
Taking really big sniffs.
Not a normal schmelly.
It's almost like a ginger dog.
She doesn't like it. I don't think she likes it.
I think she's nervous. She's on camera.
Yeah. I think it smells different to her. Look, she's doing the thing she does with rubber.
Yeah.
She hates it. Want this? I got the papers. No?
She's really disappointed in this Christmas. See?
Oh, Nana.
Maybe she's tired.
86 Christmas cheer.
You have it, Mom. Don't make me.
Jesus Christ.
Don't make
different one? Here. You want to try the other one?
How about this?
Is this
This sounds
something
fair.
more familiar? Is this a Chewish?
Rip it open.
Bite it. Bite it.
This is too
Here
hard.
we go.
Too hard.
There you go, puppy. Ooh. What's in there? You like this one, huh? This one. This one's good. Get it.
Ooh.
How is it, puppy? Flappy?
Yeah.
How's Flappy? You like Flappy?
It flaps at both ends.
Flappy. Ooh.
She's chewing on that one at least.
I like that one.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Ooh, Flappy. And it squeaks and it makes
Yeah.
It's like a Cthulhu toy.
You know those things they have at parties? Like the, what do they call them? The favors.
Good girl.
Good girlie.
The double-ended squid. And she's lost interest.
I'm a little tired, she
She's
says.
sleepy.
Yeah.
Oh, now she wants the dog.
These fans are really short.
Good puppy.
Especially, she's been up the whole night. And bedtime. Bedtime. God.
Bits. Yeah. She usually doesn't get that close. Good puppy. Prime rib fingers.
Yes. That's not as good as Mom's hand. Oh shit.
What?
Bleeding?
Yes.